इस वीडियो को हिंदी भाषा में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चुनें। Namaskar. Welcome to Simplify Your Space. Many of you have been asking how I manage to keep my kitchen clean and well maintained all the time. The simple answer is discipline. A white kitchen looks stunning and elegant, but it can be quite a challenge to maintain, especially if you have a white countertop. In my last video, some of you requested tips on how to maintain a modern kitchen effectively. While I have already shared several tips in previous videos, I thought of putting them together again, especially for those who may have missed them. So today I am going to share a few habits that help me keep my white kitchen spotless and organized. Let's get started. While using pressure cookers, the cooktop and countertop often get messy and stained. Turmeric marks in particular can ruin the look of white stone and make it appear dull. To avoid this, I make sure to clean up the mess immediately after cooking. I don't wait for the stains to dry, as dried stains are much harder to remove. Instead, I wipe them while they are still fresh using my DIY spray. It's quick and effective. And yes, I always use a plate or a spatula holder to place used ladles and spatulas so that the countertop does not get dirty. I never place hot pans or pots directly on the countertop. Doing so can leave burn marks on white surfaces, which are hard to remove. I always use hot pot stands to place hot pans, kadais or pressure cookers after cooking. Also be cautious with iron utensils. They tend to rust and can leave stains when they come in contact with water. These rust marks can damage the look of your countertop. So it is always a good idea to use a hot pot stand. I love organizing and believe in creating systems that work. When everything is well organized and easily accessible, half the kitchen work feels already done. An organized setup ensures things don't get messy and every item has its designated place. I do my best to follow this system consistently, and that I believe is the most important habit to keep not just the kitchen but any space clean and clutter-free. I avoid placing condiments, jars and oil bottles directly on the countertop. Instead, I always use baskets, trays or racks to keep them organized. This makes it much easier to move things around while cleaning, and it also helps prevent accidental spills, scratches, leaks and oil stains, all of which can leave marks on the countertop. To protect the trays and racks from oil stains, I always place a plastic liner underneath. It keeps everything cleaner and easier to maintain. I always follow the 2-minute rule for my kitchen. After my regular cleaning, I take an extra 2 minutes to wipe down the sides of the cabinets, the backsplash, and the top of the chimney, area where oil tends to accumulate after cooking. Ignoring these spots can lead to sticky, stubborn stains over time. But if you clean them daily with a regular cleaner, a quick wipe is all it takes to keep them shining, and you will rarely ever need to deep clean them. I avoid using harsh chemicals on my countertop. Some cleaners can react with the surface and dull the shine or fade the color, especially if your countertop is made of natural stone like marble or granite. Instead, I make my own gentle DIY cleaner using 1 part water, 1 part vinegar and a little dish liquid. Recently, I have also started adding a small amount of white toothpaste, which works wonderfully to remove turmeric and gravy stains instantly. I use a large floor rug near my main working area in the kitchen, and it really helps keep the floor clean and mess-free. It catches accidental spills and stains, especially those from pressure cooker during cooking. These rugs are easy to maintain and can be conveniently washed in the washing machine, making them a practical addition to any kitchen. Whenever I'm in the kitchen, I make the most of my time by cleaning as I go. If I notice the microwave plate is dirty, there is spill in the fridge, or some storage containers need wiping, I try to clean them right away instead of waiting for weekly cleaning. This habit saves a lot of time and effort later and makes deep cleaning much easier and less frequent. I follow a weekly and monthly kitchen cleaning routine. During the weekly cleaning, I wipe down all the cabinet doors with a regular cleaning solution. If I have missed any stains or grease marks during daily cleaning, they get taken care of then. I also make sure to clean all the handles, which often get dirty from frequent touching. This routine really helps keep my white kitchen cabinets looking bright and shiny. For the monthly cleaning, I do a deep clean of the hob and chimney and the inside of storage cabinets. If you would like to see how I clean my hob and chimney, the video link is provided in the description box below. Grease, oil and dust together create a sticky layer on top of cabinets, which is hard and time consuming to clean. White cabinets in particular can lose their shine because of this buildup. To prevent that, I always place transparent mats on top of the cabinets and clean them every couple of months. This protects the cabinet surfaces from dust and oil, making cleaning much easier and helping the cabinet stay looking bright. Most modern kitchens these days have tandem drawers, which make accessing items super easy. However, a downside is that dust and food particles tend to accumulate at the back, making cleaning a bit challenging. To keep them clean, these drawers should be removed occasionally to properly clean the back area. An easy way to remove them is by pressing the buttons on the sides and gently pulling the drawer out. Then you can clean the backside with a vacuum cleaner or a long duster. Once cleaned, the drawers can be placed back easily and will automatically lock into their channels. If you're unsure about reassembling them, don't hesitate to ask a carpenter for help. One big challenge in modern kitchens is keeping pests like cockroaches away. An effective way to prevent this is by installing skirting under your kitchen cabinets. Pests such as mice and cockroaches often seek shelter in warm, dark places, making the space beneath your cabinets a perfect hiding spot. Skirting helps seal this gap, preventing food crumbs from getting inside and keeping the area cleaner and pest-free. Another important step to keep your home pest-free is to use a dustbin with a lid. Pests are attracted to food scraps and waste, so a covered dustbin helps keep them away. To make cleaning easier and prevent spills or leaks, you can line the dustbin with a biodegradable plastic bag and place a newspaper underneath. This keeps the area around the dustbin clean and free from food scraps that might attract pests. I regularly inspect the dry food items in my pantry for any signs of pest infestation. During the monsoon, dry grains can sometimes get infested with small pests, so checking and removing affected items helps prevent the whole pantry from being compromised. To keep pests away, I always place a couple of bay leaves and dried red chilies in all the containers, including the one for rice. To keep my home pest-free, I rely on professional pest control services. These include regular inspections and treatments to eliminate any pests that may have entered the house. I have been using such services for the last 10 years and have been very satisfied with the results. High Care and PCI are good options to consider. Nowadays, you can also choose herbal pest control methods that are chemical-free. It's important to communicate your concerns and any specific issues to the pest control technician so they can provide a customized plan tailored to your needs. Many of you have asked for tips on kitchen storage. Every kitchen is different depending on the home layout. Thankfully, I have got plenty of storage, but that's not the case for everyone. My advice is to use shelf racks to double the space inside your cabinets. Also make use of door space to hang essential tools and maximize your countertop by using racks and the backsplash area efficiently. We have plenty of videos on kitchen organization. Check out the links in the description box below. Lastly, many of you ask about the materials used in our kitchen. The cabinet doors are made of plywood with an acrylic laminate finish. This laminate has glossy glass-like surface and is stain resistant, making it very easy to maintain. The white countertop is made of quartz, which is a compressed stone. It is also easy to maintain and offers resistance to stain and heat. While it's not completely stain or heat proof, its durability means regular maintenance is still necessary to keep it looking great. And that's all for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. These simple daily habits have worked wonders for maintaining my 7-year-old kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this. We'll see you all next week. Till then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye-bye.